Artist Harriet Hoover was at the Barton Art Galleries Friday, September 21st, 2018, where she performed 2 pieces from her show, Little Light and Antiquarian's Unease. Hoover says that her work is inspired by overlooked objects that she often finds on her walks. She is also inspired by the actions of everyday people and the idea of work and labor.
I am inspired by a lot of overlooked things. So often that is, I find a lot of things on my walks. So I find a lot of materials like wire or pounded pieces of foil that I find beautiful, and I often select those for their kind of formal qualities. So I like a lot of like forgotten or overlooked things and actions. So also the actions by everyday folks, and the idea of work and labor is also sort of embedded within my work.
Look out for more exhibits at the Barton Art Galleries. I am Brittany Austin reporting for WEDT.